Hello everyone. So, in this lesson, we will see about home automation and controlling the appliances using Arduino IoT Cloud. So, we will see components required and their connections and how to set up the cloud for controlling all these appliances. So, at the end of this lesson, the students will be able to control any AC appliances with Node MCU remotely. That's it for today's video. Bye.